Hey guys, it's Mr. Roy here once again. Welcome back to All Round Review. This is the Oraimo Watch 5. I got this a couple of days ago, so here is my unboxing and first impressions. If you are interested in picking this up, I will leave a link in the video description. Also use our discount code shown on the screen to get an exclusive 5% discount from the Oraimo store. Oraimo has kept it classic with the packaging. We have got some features listed here. A 2.01 HD touchscreen, anti-scratch Panda Glass, 10.8mm ultra thin build, and also blood oxygen heart rate monitor. Down right here you'll find these words: vivid, thin and tough design. Turning to the right you'll find the barcode with OSW 805 light chrome. At the back, you'll find the authentication center right here, then along with an Oraimo health guide on how to connect the watch to your smartphone. You also see the full specification of the smartwatch here, along with other trademark information. And also at the bottom is keep exploring. Oraimo always does a great job with the packaging. The box is sleek and gives a glimpse of the watch. But I will save the surprise for when we actually get our hands on the watch. So let's see what comes here. Alright, this is probably the welcome guide. Discover endless possibilities and keep exploring. Here we have the watch, but we'll come back to it. And the first thing, let's pop this open. Honestly, I love how Oraimo packages their products. It feels premium. This is the welcome guide to help you understand how to operate the smartwatch 5. And in this welcome guide, you will see the product specification, instruction how to pair the smartwatch 5 with your phone, and other information you're supposed to know. So let's see what comes out of this little box. The Oraimo Watch 5 is sitting right on top, looking clean and ready to shine. Just from the first glance, I can already tell this design means business. Let's remove this. It's kind of stiffy. Alright, let me see. And there's nothing on this side, just a waste of space. On the other side, we have the charging cable probably. Let's remove this. I just love this packaging overall. So I'm going to remove this. We have the charging cable right here. This is a 2-pin charger. You can feel the strong magnetic snap of the charger already. It's kind of cool and it's lengthy. Let me confirm if there is anything left in the box. Nothing. Okay. This is the smartwatch 5. It's got a good looking minimalistic design and also feels lightweight, which I already know is going to be comfortable on the wrist. The straps are soft. I believe they will pass the bending test. They also don't feel cheap. Now this is it. It's very flexible and soft. On the other side, you see the Oraimo logo is crested on the strap, and also with multiple holes for different hand sizes. Nothing new at the back, just the Oraimo logo, the model number, and other details such as the IP rating. Nothing new here. On the other side, there is the function button. We are going to test all this during the full review. This is certainly the speaker, which I'm going to test during the full review. It has a small bezel and minimalist design for the straps. That's rare. Let's turn it on and see how the display looks. So you have to press this. There we go. Yeah, look at that screen, super bright and vibrant. The display isn't bad for the visibility and color. Scan to download the Oraimo Health app and scan the QR code to pay. Okay. The setup process is straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instruction and pair it with your Oraimo Health app on your phone. But make sure that you charge it fully before using it for the first time. Always remember that. So I need to connect it with my smartwatch. Okay. The watch vibrates whenever it connects to the charger, but I have to confirm that again if it's charging. I have to remove. Okay. It has a cool charging animation. Yeah, that's it. It's very basic though, but kind of like it for the pricing. The next step is pairing the smartwatch 5 to the Oraimo Health app. Make sure you download this Oraimo Health app on your phone. Pairing is supposed to be easy. I just need to scan the QR code using the app, and okay, we have to go to smartwatch section, add device, click on it. You can add via QR code or with Bluetooth. So I need to click on QR code, allow, and okay, I need to scan now. To scan my device, just in case you are connected to another smartwatch. If you are using another Oraimo smartwatch, you need to disconnect that. And also remember, charge your smartwatch for the first time before you use it. It's very important. That was fast. Pair to click here. Pair. Bluetooth pairing. Continue. Pair. Still more. Pair. And that's it. You have successfully connected your smartwatch 5 to the Oraimo Health app. Everything is supposed to sync automatically, such as your step counter and your time, date, everything. Let's see what comes here. You have the activity record here, heart rate. You have the blood oxygen here. You have the sleep monitor, the weather, music control, and that's maybe you can add anything here. Nothing new. Alright. The function button doesn't scroll. Nothing happens when you scroll it, but maybe I can find out later the function. Just for the back button and the menu. Let's see what's here. You have you have the workout. Let's see what the outdoor, indoor. Go back. Let's see what's down here. You have messages, you have calls. You can actually call anybody from this contact. Let's see this. Let's see call history. Alright. You have the music control here. You have the music control here. You can pause and play, and also control your volume. Alright. That's the notification center. That's the weather. Alright, so I'm going to test all these things during my test, and I'll also give a few review of everything, how it works, and what you're supposed to know. Here is for the camera. Since there is no camera on the smartwatch, it's just for shake and snap as usual. So you have a flashlight, gaming, and the settings here, and that's it. No much stuff on this smartwatch. I'm still going to test everything to confirm if it's the real deal or not. Here it is, the Oraimo Smartwatch 5. It looks really sleek with its 2.01 TFT display. The build quality feels solid and is surprisingly lightweight. I'll be giving this some real world testing, so stay tuned guys for the full review. The Oraimo Watch 5 is currently priced at 34,500 Naira at the Oraimo store. You can also get a discount by using our coupon code displayed on your screen. The code is also available in the description, so make sure you are buying from the official Oraimo store to get an authentic product. And that's it for the unboxing and first impression of the Oraimo Watch 5. It looks promising and I can't wait to test it out more. Stay tuned for the full review coming soon. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. It's Mr. Roy here for All Round Review. See you next time. Bye.